Have you ever been caught off guard on Zoom? Like when you join a class meeting, you forget the fact that you're not on mute and your camera is on. Wanna know how to automatically mute yourself before even entering a Zoom meeting? Which could lessen the hassle of clicking mute and off camera when you're already entered the meeting. Well, it's actually simple and possible, so keep on watching to find out. But before anything else, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up button, and leave a comment if this video helps you, or if you have any other Zoom or online class tips and tricks, just drop them down below. So without further ado, let's get into the video.